Kenmore Portable Air Conditioner Model 129 to 35822. This unit cools the room adequately, but even on the smart mode, the fan never reduces speed. Also, the filter gets icy and only once did the tank filled, at which time, obviously, the unit stopped. Otherwise, the unit is still on full fan speed, ice on the filter, tank empty, but the unit leaks from the bottom into a large drip pan that I place under the unit. Should I always leave the unit on the air conditioning mode at full fan speed, and high hydro cost, or is a service call required? Thanks in advance for your help.
Do you know the model of your Kenmore AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Model 129 to 35822 is indicated. I inspected the filter before starting the unit. It was in excellent condition, and re-examined it last week with the same result.
How long has this been going on with your Kenmore air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
I wrote all this info in my first message.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Never mind, I will try elsewhere.
Hi there, my name is Bay. Got over 10 years in the trade. I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests, as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests. Please bear with my responses, actively working on the job site also. I'm sorry that I technician could not get to you sooner. I saw your question in the feed and wanted to check if you still needed help. It is a very busy and hot summer for us HVAC contractors, so workload is through the roof right now. Lots of hot people. Let me know if you still need help with your question and I'll be glad to help. Thanks to Mar equals.
I am still soaking up water 2 to 3 a day, about 3 liters, from the added drip tray I placed under the unit, and the filter is still half filled with ice, i.e., I cannot remove it. Thanks for your help.
Sure. So the intake air filter is icing up. This isn't a normal, and is usually due to either low refrigerant or low airflow. Low airflow would be a dirty blower wheel, dirty evaporator coil, or the blower may not be functioning. Can you tell if the evaporator coil behind the filter is also freezing up? Tamar. If it's a half sheet of ice, we can safely assume that's going to be the case. How old is this unit, by the way?
No, I cannot see behind the filter. For the airflow, do you mean the air exhausting by the window? It seems regular.
No. The airflow for the indoor blower, the one that blows in the room. How old is the unit?
5 years old, but used 4 summers, including 2 only as dehumidifier. I have checked the side grid where the air intakes seem okay, but low to me. I vacuumed it hoping this will help. That seems fine, and the unit seems to cool the room adequately, set at 26°C, with outdoor temp at 36°C with Humidex. I bought this 5 or 6 years ago but did not use it more than 3 summer before, 2 only using the dehumidifier mode.
I see. With the cooling feature off, do you have an option just to run the fan? When the thing is unthawed and just the fan running, does it feel like you have adequate airflow? Does the fan motor sound noisy or rough?
The airflow is the same with only the fan on. The motor seems fine, but I hear cracking noise, like the ice sheet cracking perhaps?
Could be. Does it make the popping noise while it's thawed? From what you're describing to me, it sounds more like a refrigerant issue, Low on gas assuming the fan is operating properly. Fixing leaks on portables can be costly as you have to find the leak, take the Freon out, fix the leak, if possible, and then vacuum and recharge. The amount of labor and Freon may put you over the value of the actual machine.
No, the popping noise came only once a few days ago, when I stopped the cooling mode and let the fan running to thaw the ice and let the unit dry before restarting it on the air conditioning mode as opposed to the smart mode on which it had been running since I turned the machine on about 2 weeks ago. Just what I feared. Thank you for this information. I will contact the store right away to secure the purchase of a window unit, hoping they are not already out of stock. You have been very helpful. Thanks again.
I hope that helps you. If you have another question, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to respond ASAP. If not, all I ask is please take a few seconds of your time and rate the question with 5 stars on the top left. That way JustAnswer will credit/pay me as the expert for answering you. If you've got a follow-up question after rating for me, you can ask it free of charge in the same box. Thanks. Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.